Hello. Today we'll be going over how to set up pre-employment assessments. First, we'll go into the assessment library. Here we have a comprehensive list of over 600 plus assessments. To narrow these down, we can go into our actions and click on the assessment assistant and maybe choose a specific role that we're hiring for, maybe an existing job, some fields, and then get some suggested assessments. Or we can choose our filter to kind of help narrow the category, maybe behavioral, cognitive, communication, etc., as well as types and other fields, and you may apply those filters to add an assessment. Once you find an assessment that you would like to add, you may add as is, preview it, or configure some basic things about it. We'll go ahead and configure and add, and we can choose the role or job title, the assessment name, a short description, the target duration, how long we expect this to take, the time multiplier, and being able to rotate questions from the bank. We're also able to enable certain security features like full screen, copy and paste, tap tracking, webcam checks, and IP tracking. We can then go ahead and click Create Assessment. It'll take us to our assessment. We can also view the assessment that we just added in My Assessments. You can see that we added the cognitive ability one. In here, we can see the overview of maybe the security enabled, the test bank size, etc. In details, we can set the category, best for roles, certain things to help you kind of identify this one. You may also set the questions per candidate. So if there's 14, they'll receive 14 random questions out of the test bank. You can rotate these questions so every candidate will get a different 14 set or shuffled around per se. You may also hide the resume upload down here if you do not want them to submit a resume, although we recommend to keep this option on. In terms of security, you can configure your security questions here. And then in your questions, you may see the questions as well as the options for each question.